Hey guys, Eric Kent, 3rd and 4th Gen Tech here at BMR Suspension, and we've got our 2002 Camaro Z28 back in the shop, ready to do some suspension upgrades. Keeping our budget in mind, we decided to start with the basics. We're going to do springs, shocks, sway bars, adjustable Panhard bar, and adjustable torque arm. Then we'll be heading back to the track for some testing. The suspension on our 2002 Camaro is flimsy, rusty, and ready to be replaced. When these parts were new almost 20 years ago, they had room for improvement. Now with age and wear, they're just not capable of handling the demands that we'll be putting on them. Installation of the new components is as easy as unbolting the old parts and bolting the new ones in. No modification is required for any component. Our SP001 spring rates are designed to deliver a firmer but comfortable ride while also lowering the car 1 1/4 inch. The adjustable Panhard bar allows for precise alignment of the rear end and more control over lateral movement of the axle. The adjustable torque arm allows for easy on-car adjustment of the pinion angle to eliminate driveline vibrations. It also reduces flex from the stock arm that can hurt performance. We opted for a set of Koni Sport Yellow shocks to complement the rates of our springs and give us control over the extension rate of the shock. This will be important once we push the car harder. For this outing, we added a set of Koni Sport Yellow shocks, our SP001 lowering springs, front and rear sway bars, adjustable Panhard bar, and an adjustable torque arm. We're anxious to get this thing out on the track and see what kind of difference it makes. On track, the car felt completely different than it did in stock trim. The addition of lowering springs and sway bars significantly reduced body roll. This allowed us to push the car harder through the corners while keeping a larger contact patch for the tire. The adjustable torque arm also helped reduce brake hop. The shocks made a dramatic improvement in the handling characteristics of the car. The response was tighter and the car did not react as much to variations in the track surface, which made it much more predictable. With the new suspension components, it was easy to reach the limit of the stock tires and brakes. When you push the car a little too hard, power slides were very common, but the car remained controllable and easy to drive. This is due to the dramatic difference the suspension components made. In its new trim, the car turned out lap times in the 1 minute 28 second zone. That's about 3 seconds per lap improvement. While it may not seem like much, we are talking a very short course. The new suspension components will really shine once the tires and brakes are upgraded. Well, we had a good time at the track today. We got a lot of good information and useful data. We're going to go back to the shop, add a few more parts, and plan our next track outing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.